Today, I finally upgraded to the GoPro Hero Black. And I'm going to do an unboxing here. And here it is. Here's what I just got today. GoPro Hero Black. I also got the dual battery charger and an extra battery to go with it. Make sure I've got plenty of time to record. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. GoPro Hero Black. Hyper Smooth 2.0. How about that? 12 megapixel. 4K 60. Waterproof to 33 feet. All these other features. Voice command. GPS. Slow-mo. There we go. Can't wait to try that one out. And then you can get the app too for Apple or Google Play. And here's what comes in the box. Got the battery, camera, a shoe, a cable. Looks like to open it, pull on this blue tab here and see what happens. Yep, look at that. Opens right up. There you have it. All kinds of booklets, pamphlets, blah, blah, blah. Look at the safety instructions. This is ridiculous. Really? This is safety instructions? That whole book? Oh, it must be in multiple languages. That's what it is. Yeah, alright. And it tells you about using the app, how to set up the camera, how to charge it. Okay. Wow. Helpful instructions. What else is in here? That's it. Alright. Battery. Charging cable. USB. It's got the universal connector. So, USB-C. And the camera. Feet here that fold out. Go onto your mounts. Makes it quick and easy. Look at that. Nice big screen on the back. Somebody's riding a mountain bike already. Battery and camera. And let's get this battery in here. Let's use the really helpful instructions here on how to open this battery door here. There's what it says. The battery in. So we're going to come over here to the battery door. Pull down on this. It snaps down. And then you lift the door open. Look at that. And then the battery goes in. Battery goes in this way. Yep. Close it. Snap it shut. And we should be ready to go. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Here's the power switch right here on the side. Here, beep. Look at that. GoPro, it's booting up. Yes, it asks you if you want it in English. Check. Capture the location where your videos and photos are taken. GPS on. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Oh, okay. So you have to install the GoPro app on your phone to finish the setup. Let's do that. Okay. Installing the app on my phone. Looks like it's going to take it a few minutes. I don't have a real strong signal here. Connect and control your GoPro. Connect GoPro. Connect. Oh, the GoPro did something. Oh, camera name. And it came on and said I needed to update the camera. So that's what I'm doing. Updating the camera. I'm just waiting for everything to update here. The camera doesn't indicate anything is going on, but apparently something's happening. Okay, so I plugged the power in. They don't come with an SD card, no micro SD card, so I do have one. Luckily, I've got a 64 gigabyte SanDisk Ultra. I'll plug that in. As if I can get it in there. God, they don't make these things easy, do they? Should have to pull the battery out. There. Now I got an SD card in, I hope. There. Well, here's something new. Never seen this before. Your camera's Wi-Fi band is set to 5.8 gigahertz, but your device or region may not support it. Change your Wi-Fi band to 2.4 gigahertz below. You can do this later, or you can do it in Preferences, Connections, Wi-Fi band. I'll retry it 2.4. How long it takes to power off. Okay, so it comes with an extra mount here. These are kind of cool, the new ones. You flip this up. You pinch these together and push it. That's it. Pushes right out. And then let's open up the battery and charger. See what we get here. Another USB cable. Extra battery. Charger. Power cord, another USB cord. The screen on the back of the GoPro 8 black is great. Yeah, it's a nice big screen. It's clear. I've got the grid lines turned on there right now. But the little feet that unfold from the bottom are great. I found that I really like those. And of course, it's got your GoPro screen on the front. Can't get a real good picture of it here inside here. Sorry. Anyway, there you have it. One thing that I found on this Hero 8 is the SD card goes down here in the slot in the battery compartment, right down there. And my fingers are kind of big, so it's hard to get it in and out. So when you have both batteries in the charger, one charges up full and then the next one starts charging. They won't both charge at the same time in this dual charger. Overall, the Hero 8 Black is quite the nice little camera. I like the hyper smooth. It works really well. I still have yet to check out the other features like slow motion, but looks like everything's going to work just fine. You can also control it from your telephone with the app, with the GoPro app. So that's kind of cool. You can see on your phone what you see on the camera. So you can do like maybe some remote shots. Stick it on the side of your travel trailer while you're going down the road. And you can control it from your phone inside the truck. Looking forward to doing that too. All right, well, thanks for watching. And hit that subscribe button and like. Have a good day.